Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix the Roblox error code 533. Your privacy settings prevent you from joining this server. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right on to this. So the first thing to do is, if you are using the Roblox app, is go ahead and go over to your Roblox player here and go ahead to properties, go over to your compatibility here and make sure that run this program as an administrator is um, selected or checked and hit apply and OK, so that it is al uh, it is always run as administrator when you open your Roblox. The second one is, if you are going over to your um, Roblox on your browser, go ahead to the settings and you have to select privacy and make sure that account restrictions are disabled is selected. So make sure that this is disabled like what I have here. So as you can see, you have to enter your PIN for this to be able to work. And there. Okay. So after going over that, try this third step. Go over to your settings here and your security browser settings. Search for security on the search bar on your settings here. So you just have to go over to the three dots on your Chrome. Okay, so make sure that it is standard, not enhanced, and not no protection, because you don't want to have any viruses on your device. Make sure it is only set to standard so it will not be that strict when it comes to joining a server. So okay, after going over that and still does not work, go over and clear browsing data. Search for clear browsing data here, and you just have to select what you want here on the basic or advanced. So I suggest to go over to basic here and just select cache image and files and clear data. You can also do here, but basic will do. Okay, so after going over that, you can go ahead and check if Roblox or your Chrome is blocked through your firewall. So search for allow app through Windows firewall on your Windows search bar and make sure that Google Chrome here is set to um, private and public, like what I have here, the check mark right there. And also if you have Roblox here, the Roblox player here, make sure it is set to private and public as well. After going over that and it still does not work, try this one. So delete temporary files. Search for that in the Windows search bar. And you just have to go ahead and run this um, basic process. So you just have to go ahead and turn this on and you should be good to go. After going over that, going over to your temporary files here, so all you have to do here is select remove files here, and that will clean up your temporary files that you don't need. So these are basically just temporary files, so you don't have to worry about losing any personal files here and there. The last one is to check if you are having your VPN enabled, so that might be the reason why you are having this issue. So you just have to disable that and you should be okay. If you're using the browser VPN like what I have here, you just have to disable that as well. And there. Okay guys, those are the ways on how you can fix this issue. Thank you for watching and goodbye.